Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite items, but before I do, I thought I'd just show you all of this cool stuff. There's a lot of fun channels that I watch and I support very strongly, and you guys know, well, it's that awesome Captain Drone, and I was lucky enough to get these amazing stickers. There's also some other awesome stickers that he has that apparently smell and taste like fruit. And as a vegan, I highly support that. Anyway, Captain Drone, what else do you want to talk about? A bunch of other awesome things such as Drone Camps RC. Unfortunately, I don't have any Motion RC stickers. That is a bummer. Motion RC is fantastic, as well as obviously Freewing and the RC Sailors and Brian Phillips RC. If you haven't seen that, you should go check it out.
Likey